It's like someone is finally up. Hey, don't be alarmed. You really scared me back there when you tried to run away. I'm sorry for frightening you last night, darling. I'm glad you're okay, though. I promise I'll tone it down next time. Hey. Listener, I know I scared you so bad that you passed out. You did try to escape me after all. I'm not gonna lie. The fear on your face is so adorable. I almost want to scare you so badly again. I did promise to tone it down, but I will not hesitate to mark you as mine if you try to escape again. Insane, huh? Oh, I see. We're gonna play it that way, You say that I can't keep you here forever, yes? Well, I can't keep you here forever. And I will. Trying to get away. You can't. Even if you tried. I tried you down to your bed anyway. How else would I make sure you didn't escape me like you did last night? Oh, the horror in your eyes have made it so evident that there's no other way. Good darling. Now, remember this. If you try to escape again, I might not go so easy on you next time. But if you're keeping as perfect as you are, it won't come to that. It's not like you have a choice or anything like that. Oh, now that I think about it, let's switch out the subject. Your little friend? Well, they're dead now. Besides, I can't have him stealing you away from me now, can I? If anyone does as little as look at you, even the wrong way, I won't hesitate to murder them. Oh, but if you stay away from them and stay close to me, it won't come to that. You'll stay with me, right? Good.